Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake drink. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened, not rock hard, for the best blending experience. This simple foundation ensures a perfectly creamy base every time. Now, let's get blending. Start by adding your milk to the blender first, followed by the softened ice cream and any syrups or powders. Begin blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase to a medium or high setting. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy, usually for about 30 to 60 seconds. Don't overblend, or it might become too thin. The fun part is customizing your milkshake with various flavors. For a fruity twist, try adding 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen berries or a whole banana. If you prefer chocolate, a few tablespoons of chocolate syrup or cocoa powder work wonderfully. You can also blend in cookies, candy pieces, or a spoonful of peanut butter for extra indulgence. The possibilities are truly endless. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Pour the freshly blended milkshake into a chilled glass right away to maintain its cold temperature. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a bright red cherry. Don't forget a wide straw to fully enjoy the thick, creamy texture. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.